everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today's video is going to be me highlighting my hair myself at home.
Dun,
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 dun.
Yeah.
Is that how you envisioned you'd look when doing it?
Okay, so I've bought everything I need to do it. I am nervous, I'm not going to lie, because 100% of the time when I've dyed my hair blonde at home myself, 100% of the time it has gone wrong. But I'm hopeful this time. I've got all the correct things. Like, I've done everything I was supposed to do in preparing to do it. So fingers crossed it's going to be okay. So please excuse my hair at the minute because it's really greasy. I've left it to get really greasy before I do it because apparently that is better for your hair to dye it when it's greasy. So let's just ignore this. And I'm going to show you everything that I've got to do it with. So I ordered from Amazon a DIY highlighting kit. So I've got the cap. That's right, I'm using a highlighting cap.
I want to see
Which
what
is-
it looks like on your head.
And it comes with like a little crochet stick thing that you're going to poke through and get the hair out. So excited for that. These are ear protectors.
Why do you want to protect you?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably not going to use them. I'm guessing so you don't poke the stick like in your ear. So maybe I should put them on. What do you think?
You look
I look like a Smurf. Funny. I might look a Smurf if I turn my hair blue. I've looked up about these caps. I have had my hair highlighted with these caps before. So my nan is a hairdresser and she's old school. So she has used the cap on my head before. So, and it's always turned out okay. I know they're controversial, but it's always turned out alright with a cap. So fingers crossed it will be okay. Right, so let's get stuck in. So my lovely friend Juliet, who is being Mrs. Dudley on YouTube, she did her hair herself a few weeks ago and she sent me some of the things that she had left over from doing that. So she sent me the powder bleach that I've got in here and she sent me peroxide. So today I'm going to be using the 30 vol peroxide. Here it is. I bought the toner myself. It's the same one that she used as well. So it is called Lightest Violet Blonde, basically 1069 it is. So I will get to the toning bit when I've actually dyed my hair. So I'm going to use my weighing scales. I'm going to use 40 grams of the bleach and then I'm going to use double of this. So then I'll use 80 of this because you do 1 part, 2 part. I don't know the correct terminology. So whatever you use of this, you just put double of the peroxide in. Okay, so let's measure out 40 grams of this. Okay, and then we're going to use 80 of the peroxide.
Watch out. They said I won't see you come.
Okay, so that is in there, and then you want to mix it until it's like a pudding-like texture. That is what my good friend Juliet said needs to be pudding-like a thick custard. So yeah, let's get stirring. So let's just have a good look at my hair before I put it on. So these are my roots at the minute.
They're brown.
So yeah, quite rooty, and especially at the back. Let's just show you the back. Okay, cap's going on. It's quite big, this cap, and I've got a small head, so I'm worried it's going to be too big.
Daddy calls it a pea head.
He does.
You call it a pea
He
head.
calls my head a pea head.
Your is that your forehead?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, the cap's on. Do you know what? This is actually a nice hat. Like, if it wasn't see-through and it was a nice colour, it's not a bad look. Right, okay, sorry. Focus. This is why when I do my hair it goes wrong, because I just don't focus.
Once I for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open. You'll come our direction. I get in ahead of myself. You smile like
Okay, that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, and it was a lot more painful than I thought it was going to be as well. I had to get Zach to help me do the back bits because obviously I can't see where the holes are back there. So yeah, if you're doing it by yourself, then it's not going to be easy. I'm just going to brush them to make sure there are no knots in them or anything. Okay, so I'm going to section it off. So I'm going to do the front bit first. I'm just going to go for it because I'm sick of faffing about now. I'm just going to put the bleach on and go for it.
now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there.
Let's get this emotion.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel sad.
Oh.
I feel really sad.
Why don't you look at her straight on the camera? Is that how you envisioned you'd look when doing this?
No, I thought it'd be like, la la la, oh look.
Glamorous, yeah.
Yeah, I thought like, oh, I'm just going to do my hair from home. It's going to go really well. If someone else does it, I can do it too. Okay, so I've got all the bleach on. I'm just going to cover it with a plastic bag for like 10 minutes and then check it. I don't know, just hope for the best. Okay, so it is time now to wash it off. It looks, I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to look really light, like whitish. So I look so good right now. Yeah, so I'm going to wash it off and I'll show you what it looks like once I've washed it off. Yee! Okay, so I have took the cap off, washed off all the bleach, and it's not too bad. The one thing I would say is I've not got as close to the root as I would like to. But I don't mind that so much because it will give more of a natural look anyway. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it actually looks alright. It's not too yellow, like not too orange. There are bits of orange, like at the back is a bit more orange than the front. But I'm going to put the toner on now, so that will hopefully get rid of any of the brassiness that is in it at the minute. It's actually not too bad. It's like a proper highlighted look. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the toner up. So I'm going to put this toner on damp hair. I think that's what it said. I'm going to use 1 part toner, and then I know it's in a squeezy thing because my friend posted it to me. So she put it in here, which is actually a genius idea. So yeah, this is 10% peroxide. So I'm going to use 1 part toner, 1 part and 1 part 10% peroxide. And then put it all in my hair.
You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there. Close now.
Okay, so I've put the toner on. I'm going to leave that for about half hour, maybe 40 minutes. Wash it off. And that'll be it. So fingers crossed it looks good when it's finished. So it is the next day now and my hair is all done. I'm really happy with how it turned out actually. So you can see here where I've put the highlights. The problem with my hair is that when I bleached it last summer I had a bit of a disaster, and I have got that patch here where it's darker here than it is there. So what I should have done is just bleach the roots and not bothered with the ends. But next time I do it, I'll just do the roots and I'll leave the ends, so hopefully then it will balance up a little bit. But I'm not going to do that for a good like 6 to 8 weeks still because my hair will need a rest. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, overall I think it was a success. I am pleased with how it turned out. Obviously if I was to go to a salon and get it done professionally it would be a hell of a lot better, but considering I did it myself at home, it didn't take too long, all day. I am happy with it. And the cap, I was pleasantly surprised by the cap. I'd heard some horror stories, watched some videos where it had gone horribly wrong, so I was happy that mine did not go horribly wrong. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the outcome. If you do have any questions on how I did it or what I did that I've not covered in the video, then just leave me a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Yeah, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please do give it a little thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I will see you in another one. Bye.